welcome back to the Family Cook Show, and today we will make some healthy peanut butter cookies. Here are the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes, 2/3 cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1/2 cup of substitute sugar. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to, some 2/3 cup, we're going to place it in the bowl. I just got this out of the microwave for 30 seconds. It is very hot. Be sure to be with an adult. You don't have to burn yourself. Now we're gonna mix it. That would be good. Now we're gonna add the 1 cup of unsweetened, now we're gonna add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gotta be very careful with it so it won't spill. You're going to add it to the mixture of the peanut butter and coconut oil. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to get the 1.5 cup of substitute sugar. Half of a cup. And now we're going to put the 1 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes. And now we're going to mix it all together. Whoa, so big. This should be enough. Now we're going to add the healthy peanut butter cookies into this baking pan. Gotta put a lot. I just got this out of the freezer for 20 minutes and it looks delicious. Here are the healthy peanut butter cookies. I just really want to have a taste of, so let's have it. The crunchy peanut butter coconut flakes. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did, smash that like button, and can you please subscribe to this video, and bye!